What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Kind of fitted up right now. It is actually my first day of school, so we're gonna be doing a little POV drive to school today. Usually the first day there's low-key a lot of traffic, so you guys are gonna experience that with me. I don't want to be alone in that. Okay, cold start. Okay. I changed the mic location. I'm trying to test things out, make sure everything's good, but yeah, I got class at 8:30. It's currently 7:45. I don't live that far from school, but I'm telling you guys, first day traffic is bad. It's really bad. I'm probably also gonna do a driving home video, probably tonight. Because my day is so long. I low-key got class until, it's literally from like 8:30 to 8:30 p.m. So I'm gonna be there for a cool minute. And I think the night drives, I like making them. I think they're a vibe. But yeah, hopefully the sun's not too in your guys' eyes, and we'll get started. Yeah, old car shit. My clutch isn't warmed up. It's super rough. Fucking sucks. I see it like that. Yeah, it's my girlfriend's Celica. She has a body kit on it, but it's not paint matched, so it looks a little crazy right now. Right now you guys are gonna see how bad SoCal traffic is, and guys, it's doable, especially in a manual. It's freaking doable. The traffic's not gonna get too bad until we get on the freeway, but like that stop and go shit, it's annoying. Obviously it does get annoying, and it gets old quick. But it's definitely doable. You just gotta be comfortable with your downshifts. When I was first ever starting to drive manual, and I had that stop and go in traffic, and I necessarily didn't need to come completely to a stop, but fifth gear was not gonna do it. I was gonna start lugging the engine. I had to kind of get comfortable with downshifting. Okay, we're about to get on the freeway right now. You guys are gonna see how bad this shit is. Remember last semester, I had an early class, and that traffic fucking sucked in the morning. Deceptively smooth right now. I'm actually not gonna stay on the freeway for very long. Guys, I started training for a new job yesterday. I'm making a little bit more money than my current job, and that means that we might actually be able to mod the car instead of just fucking talking about it, instead of just dreaming about it. Like I said in my last video, there's no rush, but there are definitely things that I need for replacement. My brakes are definitely one of them. See, this is the traffic. I think that this freeway is kind of poorly designed because you have an on-ramp right here. There's a merge from a different freeway a little bit further up, and there's another on-ramp actually. So it's kind of just shoving a bunch of cars in at the last second, and my exit is like the next one coming up, so I'm forced to just fucking stay in here. One thing I will say though is traffic like this, it teaches you clutch control. You're able to learn your clutch and master your clutch, learning the bipoint and dancing with the pedals a lot easier because you're kind of forced to do it. You're going from first to second to first to second to neutral to first. Yeah, so that's one on-ramp. This is another on-ramp. And then there's a merge from a different freeway right at the very end. Z right there. Oh, and an RSX. That's fucking sick. Subframe brace. That thing is clean, guys. Red Honda badging too. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I wanted an RSX for so long. But oh my gosh, even has red calipers too. That's so clean. Yeah, but I wanted an RSX, but for me it felt only right to get the Type S. I know it's funny coming from a guy who's a non-GSR, but to me it only felt right to get the Type S, and the only ones that were available were either super expensive and I didn't have the money, or they were clapped as shit. This drive, when there's no traffic, is actually pretty fun. I love rolling through the gears. And a lot of people think that it only takes a couple months, maybe a year to fully master driving a manual. But it's really not the case. It takes fucking forever. Because each car is different. And of course you can get the hang of it. But like I just learned how to heel toe, and I've been consistently daily driving manual since October, and it's August. So it's just so satisfying now, getting like a perfect heel toe in a setting or in a situation that I actually need it, or getting crisp shifts and good to drive sometimes. That's the first time my girlfriend's been featured in a video. She's been wanting to be in a video for a minute, but then I put down the camera. It's okay though. I'm committed. I'm committed to making more videos and putting out content. I just got so caught up with everything else. And this semester is supposed to be pretty tough for me actually. I'm taking physics. I'm taking Japanese. I'm taking history. I'm taking chemistry, and then I'm taking physics lab. And it's all jammed into 2 days. And I've never done the 2-day schedule before, so I'm gonna see how it is. Some of my friends swear by it. They say that going to school and having 2 long days is better than having 4 short days. And at least it gives me the opportunity to work a little bit more during the week. Usually I really am only able to work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And those are my days off of school. Then it kind of leaves me with no days off at all, and it gets pretty tiring. So we're trying out something new. See how it works. Damn, that shit was so satisfying. Heel toe. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's go. When I was first driving, I was so damn scared of this hill. Getting stopped at this light, or even the next light, it kind of sucked, because you get stuck on the down slope, so you're gonna roll back a little bit no matter what, and that shit was fucking horrible. Try and do a little shortcut, because this line is exactly what I was talking about. Oh my gosh. Just like that, we made it on campus. I low-key forgot to buy my parking pass, so today I'm gonna have to buy the day one. I feel crazy now having a fucking camera on my head. I forgot how brutal these bumps are. Shit's horrible. God damn. Just like that, we made it to school. Alright guys, thank you for clicking on the video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what videos you guys would like to see next. So again, thank you guys for everything, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.